Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting video. In this video, we will create a image slider, a old carousel, using only HTML and CSS and a little JS. I can assure you, this video will be the easiest way to make old carousel for you. So keep watching this video till the end. Here, in this folder, I have one HTML file and one CSS file. Also, a image folder. So inside this image folder, you will find all three images that we'll be using in this tutorial. Now I am gonna be using Visual Studio Code as my free text editor. You can use any text editor. So here I have added the basic HTML structure and linked up with CSS. Now come to the body tag and take a heading. I am gonna take h1 tag, simple old carousel, and then take a div with a class name container. Inside this container, take another div and give it a name. I'm gonna give it a class name img. Now we will add image. For that, take image tag and then link up. Let's duplicate and change the image name image3. Okay, our HTML is complete. Now come to the CSS. Here I am going to give some CSS resetting like margin 0, padding 0, also give a background color for our body tag. Background color will be and for our heading h1, font size 35 pixel, color white, text align center, give it some margin top 35 pixel. Let's see the output. Okay, let's give it some letter spacing for our heading tag. Letter spacing 1 pixel. Now let's design class container. Give it a width. I'm gonna give 60%. I'm giving 60% just for looking good, but when you will design a real web page, you will give 100% or as your requirement. And then give it a height 400 pixel. Let's add some margin, top bottom 50 pixel, and left right auto. Okay, let's see our output. Okay, now we need to design our img class. Container img, width will be 100% and height 400 pixel. Now fit our images inside this image class. For that, width will be 100% and height 100%. Object fit cover. Check the output. Okay, now we want our images will slide, so for that we will use all carousel. Go to Google and search all carousel. Here in the first link, click on it, then click the download button. You can also download from GitHub. Our download is complete. Let's open this file, and then you will see this folder. Click on it, and here click on dist, and then you will see all carousel min.js. Copy the file and paste to our project folder. I'm gonna create a file name js, and here paste it, and then come back to our downloaded file again, and then click on asset. From here copy all carousel min.css. Same way we will create a CSS file, then inside it paste that file. Now we have to link up, so come to our code editor. At the top I'm gonna link up our all carousel min.css file, css slash all carousel min.css, and bottom inside script tag link up carousel file. Okay, now we need one more link, that is called jQuery CDN. Come to Google and search jQuery.com. Click on the first link. Here you will see a download button. Click on it. The first link. Okay, now simply type Ctrl+S and then save this file to our project.js folder. Don't change this file name. Now come to HTML and link up our CDN. We are almost complete. Now we need to add two things. First, add a class name here and active our all carousel in the script tag. So let's give this class name. Keep in mind, don't mistype this class name. And then our second task is to active our all carousel. So come here and type script document.ready, and here we will take our class name all carousel. Dot all carousel. Now our all carousel is activated. Let's check the output. Okay, we want one image will be shown and other image will be hidden. So we will set items. Come to the HTML and here inside this second bracket type items 1. Check the output. You can see only one image is showing. Come to HTML and let's set autoplay true and loop will be true. Also we can set a time that after this second image will select. For this we have to add autoplay timeout. I'm gonna give 5000 ms. It means 5 seconds. Let's check the output. I made a little mistake here. Object fit will be covered. Okay, let's see the output. Fine. Now we need arrow icon, so let's add here nav will be true. You can see our nav icon is showing here and it is working, but it is so small. Let's find this class name and add some CSS. For that, right click on it, go to inspect. As you can see, it is a span tag, right? So, and it is inside two class name. One is all next and the parent class name is all nav. So come to CSS and type container. This is our parent class name all nav, and inside it all brief, and then our span tag. We are gonna give our icon a font size 50 pixel and color white. Let's see. Fine. Let's design our second icon. Copy it and change it to all next. Fine. Now we need to set these two buttons in the perfect position. For that, come to CSS. I'm gonna copy it. All brief position will be absolute, as it is absolute, and for that our main container will be relative. Top will be 0, left 0, bottom also 0, margin auto. Let's check the output. It is working. Let's take our second icon, simply copy it here, all next. Sorry, here will be right 0. If we give these two icons some space, it will look more good. Come to CSS and here give it some space. I'm gonna give 10 pixel, also 10 pixel. Okay, it is working totally fine and looking very good now. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section below. Please like this video and subscribe and turn on your notifications to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.